Okay, good morning class. So today we're looking at equations, particularly word problems. And yesterday we stopped at exercise 5, number 7. So today, in our lesson today, hopefully we're going to try and get through number 8 to 14. So, okay, so let's go. We are told that the joint ages of A and B is 82 years. So A currently is, so we will say let A equal X, or X years old. Then B has to be, if the combined ages, which means to say A plus B is 82. But X is now A. So B would be what? 82 minus X. You all agree with that? This is presently. In 6 years' time. So in 6 years' time. How old will A be in 6 years' time? In 6 years' time, how old will A be? No. X is plus 6. How old will B be in 6 years' time? B will be 82 minus X plus 6. Whatever he is, 6 years older. Which give me a total of 88 minus X. Okay. In 6 years' time, A will be twice as old as B was 4 years ago. In 6 years' time, A will be twice as old as B was 4 years ago. Okay? Is this unravel this part here? In 6 years' time, A will be twice as old as B was 4. Okay, A was twice as old as B was. So who's older? A is older. Okay, so that means to say A will be twice as old as B was 4 years ago. So how old was B 4 years ago? B 4 years ago. How old is B presently? 82 minus X. So it's going to be 82 minus X minus 4, which is 78 minus X. Not so. So let's go again. In 6 years' time, A will be twice as old as B was 4 years ago. So in 6 years' time, A will be what? X plus 6. B was twice as old as B was 4 years ago, which is 2 into 78 minus X. Okay, so that simply gives us X plus 6 equals 78 times 2, 156 minus 2X. X is one side, numbers the other side. So X minus 2X minus 2X is 3X is equal to 156. Minus 6 is 150. Divided by 3 is 50 years old. Determine the age now. So therefore A is X, which is 50 years old, whilst B is 82 minus 50, which is 32 years old. Who got that answer? You have an easier way than what I did. Right, what did you write, Michael? Yes? You see the hand was up. You said yes, you got the easier way.
Also, I said
Oh, so you didn't go with the x's. So you just used a and b. Okay, so what did you say? Yeah? Just hang on, you went with 82 minus b plus 6 b minus 4. Okay, so with this, hang on. So you got 82 minus b plus 6. Okay, so what did you say then? And 2 minus b plus 6 is equal to 2b minus 8, yes? And you just solved for b here. Okay? 96. So b works out to be 32. Okay? And you set this up straight out of your head. Wow. Anybody else got the easier way? Alright, let's see the method that they have set up. So they went with letting a equal x, which I did. B being 82 minus x, which I also have 6 years ago. They only worked out a 6 years ago, so this is what they did. So they got that, they got this. In 6 years time for a only, and for b only. Okay, so that between that was unnecessary. What was they indicating there? And then they went from the straight into this. Okay, so they went the same route I did. Okay. Okay, that was a bit confusing, no? But not so bad after all. Alright, let's look at number 9. I think that was the first one that made me think now. Alright. I like it. People, number 9. The ages of 3 children in a family totals 32 years. I'm twice as old as my sister. So between me and my sister, who's older? Me, no? So the sister is younger. And my brother is 2 years older than I. So I'm in the middle. Not so. So who's the youngest? The sister. So let's make sister. So we say let sister be x. So if the sister is x, how old am I? I am twice as old as my sister. So how old am I? 2x. My brother is 2 years older than I. So brother is going to be, I am now 2x, not so. So it's 2x plus. The ages of the 3 children in the family totals. What does that mean? I must add them together, not so. So x plus 2x plus 2x plus 2 is equal to 32. So that's going to give you 5x is equal to 30. So x works out to be 6 years old. I don't think a 6-year-old is thinking like this. Yeah? But maybe the 6-year-olds of this year is different. Yes. Yes. Okay, so what's the question? How old am I? Oh, the person telling the story is actually older. Sorry. I am 6 by 2, which is 12. Okay, yeah, 12-year-old would make sense. I'm thinking now. I am now 6. Right? So a 12-year-old would think like this. No? Realistic. Who got this one right? Everybody besides Hafsa. You don't have a brother, Hafsa? You do? You don't have a sister? That's the problem. No? Talk to your mom. You say, you're looking for a sister so you can do your maths. Where did you go wrong? Let's hear, where did you go wrong? Because you don't have a sister. Okay. people, the stuff is not easy. You must practice it. Okay? Now, I don't have all the time in the world to practice it. That's why it's so difficult for me. I'm joking. I look for these things. Sorry? Thank you, Miss Cornelius. The only one that can remind me. I must change the number. People, a tank is 2/3 full of water. The tank is 2/3 full of water. If 35 liters are tapped off, which is let go, no, of the tank, which means to say I must subtract, minus, yes, 35 liters are tapped off. The tank is a 1/6 full. Determine the volume of the tank. Determine the volume of water in a full tank. So what do we say? Let X be a full tank of water. Okay. So tank is 2/3 full. So what is that? 2/3 X. Okay. 2/3 of the tank of, no, times. Tap, if you take 35 liters, let go 35 liters, with tap of 35 liters, it's minus 35 is equal to, the tank is a 1/6 full. There we go. Easy, no? People, what's my LCM? LCM is 6. So I multiply this by 2. This by 6. This by 1. So that's going to give you 2 by 2x minus 35 times 6 equals 1 into x. So it's going to be 4x minus 35 times 6. 70, 70 times 3 is 210. I think, no? It's equal to x. Take that over the equal sign. So 3x is equal to 210. Divided by 3, 70 liters. Determine the volume of the water in a full tank. And I'm getting 70 liters. Who got that answer? Okay, good. Okay, so that doesn't seem too bad. Let's look at number 11. Change the number at the bottom now. Okay. If one side of a square is extended by 8 meters and the adjacent side is reduced by 6, a rectangle is obtained which has a perimeter of 100 meters. Determine the area of the original square. So we draw a square in the first case. Not so. So we say let x be the length of the sides of the square. So here will be an x and an x here, not so. The square, so it's 90 and so on all of those things. Then we are told that the square, if one side of the square is extended by 8 meters, then what is the length now going to be? X plus 8. And the adjacent side, which is the other side, is reduced by 6. The side next to it. Reduced by 6. So the breadth will be x minus 6. Do you see that, people? That's your breadth. A rectangle is obtained. Yes, it's a rectangle which has a perimeter of 100. How do you calculate the perimeter of a rectangle? Sorry? 2 length plus 2. So in other words, we must now solve for x. So what's the perimeter here? 100 is equal to 2 times x plus 8 plus 2 times x minus 6. Again, it's a simple equation, not so. Let's just get rid of the brackets here. That's going to give us 100 is equal to 2x plus 16 plus 2x minus 12. So the 2x plus 2x is 4x. 100 minus 16 is 84. And 84 minus 12, or plus 12, sorry, it's going to give you 96. Divided by 4 both sides. So x gives you 2 carry 1, 24. What's the question? The question says, determine the area of the square. How do you calculate the area of a square? Side times side or side squared? Not so. So it's going to be, what's the length of the side? 24. So 24 times 24. So 24 times 24. 4 is 16 carry 1. That's 8, 9. 0. Sorry, 0 at the wrong place. 2 by 4 is 8. 2 by 2, 4. 6, 7, 5, 7, 6. Centimeters square. Oh, meters, sorry, it's not centimeters, it is meters. We got that answer right? Okay. Some of you are getting it. People, at least 12 marks for this in your upcoming exam. So for those of you who say, let's wing it, no? What do you say? Like, we'll figure it out in the exam. No. Sorry? You just had a break now? Why did I tell you the teachers stay on me? You guys are taking me for a fool. Make quick. Right, number 12. There are 40 coins in a container after a street collection. This was back in the day. You guys don't do street collections anymore, no? No. Right. If there were only 5 cents and 10 cent coins, and that is the case, no? You do collections, people only give you the change there, no? 5 cents and 2 cents and 10 cents. You guys know what the 5 cents look like? Yes. I thought maybe that was before your time. Okay, there were 5 cents and 10 cent coins. 5 cents and 10 cent coins. With a total value of 27 Rand 50. What do you notice here? We have rands and we have senses. Can you see? So in either you're going to change the cents to rands or the rands to cents. How many 5 cent coins and how many 10 cent coins were there? So where do we start? We let one, it doesn't matter, we don't know which one is the least of the two. So we just let the smaller unit or the smaller quantity be, so smaller, what's the name? Be X. So let X be the 5 cent coins. So how many 10 cent coins are there? Therefore for the 10 cent coins, degree Celsius. 10 cent coins will be equal to. If there were 25 cent coins, how many 10 cent coins are there? 380. Not so. There are 205 cent coins. How many 10 cent coins? 200. If there's X 5 cent coins, how many 10 cent coins are there? 400 minus X. Not so. People, how much cents is 27 Rand 50? How many cents are there in a Rand? 100. So there's 100 cents in 1 Rand. So when you multiply by 27, 5 by 100 is going to give you 2,750 cents in total. So how do we get the total? If I have 5 cent coins, 5 cents, and 10 cent coins, to get the total, I say 5 times 5 is 25, 10 times 10 is 100, which gives me 1 Rand 25, 125 cents. That's how we get it, not so, to get the total. So, if we have X 5 cents, so it's 5 times X plus whatever amount of 10-cent coins you have multiplied by 10. So it's going to be 10 multiplied by 400 minus x. And this is equal to 2,750. Now is this a matter of solving for x? So 5x plus 4,000 minus 10x is equal to 2,750. X is one side, numbers the other side. So 5x minus 10x is negative 5x. 2,750 minus 400 will be 2,350. Negative 2,350 divided by negative 5 both sides. So x equal to negative divided by negative, of course, is positive. 5 is the 23. 4 times carry 3. 7, 0. That means to say they are, that's not right. Sorry? It's 4,000, I wrote 400. Sorry about that. Let's go again. This minus 5x is equal to, the answer should have been negative. So it's 4,000 minus 2,750. So that's going to give me 3. It's 1. That is 9, which is 2. Is that correct? 1 to 5 are in the negative. Divided by negative 5 both sides. So x is equal to, that will be positive. 5 goes into 12. Twice, carry 2. 250. Who got 250? Okay, I'm feeling better about myself now. So therefore, there are 250 5-cent coins. And of course, 400 minus 250, which is 150 10-cent coins. Okay. Let's look at the next one. You guys are becoming more quiet and quiet. What's going on? A man might fire 30 shots at a target, 30 in total. Okay. Each time he hits the target, he gets 25 cents. But every time he misses the target, he must pay 15 cents. All 15 cents get deducted from the total. If he makes a profit of 3 rand 10 cents, 3 rand 50 cents, sorry, how many times did he hit the target? So where do we stop? We say let x be the number of times he hits the target. X be the number of times he hits the target. So how many times does he misses? 12 misses, so missed opportunities would be 30 minus x. Alright. People, this is in rand, so I convert that to cents. How many cents is 3 rand 50? 3,000! 350 cents. Not so. Remember that this is in cents, so I must get it in the same SI unit, always. Okay. So how do we get his total? If he hits, he gets. If he hits the target, he gets 25 cents. Not so. So if he hits it x times, it's going to be 25 times x. And you must subtract the times he misses this. Not so. Misses the target. So it's minus 15 cents. So it's 15 multiplied by the number of times he misses, which is 30 minus x. If we take his total, it's minus the total he misses the target, sorry, will give you, sorry, minus 350 or 350 cents. Too many words here, no? There's 225x minus, get rid of the brackets, there's going to be 0. 15 times 3 is 450, is that correct? Yes. plus 15x is 350. Right. 25x plus 15x, 40x. Is that correct? They get over the equal sign will be positive 800, looks like it, no? Divide by 40 both sides. That cancels, so x is equal to 80 divided by 4. 20. So therefore he hits the target 20 times. And he misses the target. Okay, and we can check. You don't have to check. But let's check. If he hits 20 times, it's going to be 20 times 25 cents, which is 5 rand. But he misses 10 times. So 10 times 15, which is 150 cents. Subtracted because this is the penalty. He then gets 3 rand or 350 cents or 3 rand 50, which makes it correct. Okay. See any confusion there? If there is, please find out by your friends what's going on. People, the last one, number 14. In a test consisting of multiple choice questions, 1 mark is awarded for each correct answer and 2 marks are deducted. Wait, 1 mark is awarded for each correct answer and 2 marks are deducted for every incorrect answer. Imagine. We would, at the end of the test, we owe the examiner marks. No? If a pupil answers 30 questions and obtains 21 marks, how many correct answers did he get? Or were worthy? So where do we start? We say let x be the number of correct answers. So how many wrong answers did he get? Or incorrect answers did he get? 30 minus x. What's x minus 30? Because if he only has a total of 30, imagine he had 1 correct. Then it's going to be 1 minus 30, which is minus 29. What's wrong with you? Okay. I should say many things is wrong. Right. People, in a test consisting of multiple choice questions, 1 mark is obtained for each correct answer. So it's going to be 1 times x minus 2 marks is deducted for every incorrect answer. So minus 2 times the number of wrong answers he had, which is 30 minus x. Gives you a total of 21 marks. Simple equation. Okay. So x minus 60 plus 2x is equal to 221. So that's going to give us 3x is equal to 21 plus 60, which is 81. So x is equal to 81 divided by 3, 27. So what does that mean? It means to say out of the 30, he got 27 correct. Okay, he's actually a good student. He's not in our class. Let's test. What if he gets half right, half wrong? Then he's going to get 1 times 10 minus 2 times. This is 10 correct, no, not half. 10 correct. Then it's going to be 30 minus 10. So that's going to give you 10 minus 2 times. What's 30 minus 10? 20. So it's going to be 10 minus 14, which is the u over the examiner, 30 marks. Okay. Imagine. That's why I say we're owing the examiner marks. Yes. People, who got this one right? Only 3 of you. Alright. But here's your opportunity now to go home and over the weekend master these word problems. Okay. People, for homework, I would like you guys to conclude number 15 to 20. For English, you didn't remind us. Huh?